An IPO is a great step for any company. And sometimes I've been known to say that the best day of going public is the day you go public. And after that, it's all downhill. Now, that's not really true. But in fact, if you look at what happened with Livongo, there's a great build-up to us going public. And then we went public, and that was really exciting, and our stock ran up. And then we found out that the market didn't really understand this new kind of company we had created. What is a SaaS-based healthcare company? What does that look like? No one had done that before. And what is consumer digital health? What does that mean? And so we had tech investors and healthcare investors, and no one really understood us. So the stock all of a sudden, from being all of a sudden at this high number, boom, dropped down. And people start questioning, wow, are you doing the right thing? Why is this? What a problem this is. And all we told our people is, you are not your stock price. Keep building this company that we are building together. Running a public company means you have to run the day-to-day company. You also have to manage analysts and investors. And you have to deal in a much more complicated environment where there's stock reporting requirements and the like. A lot of companies make a mistake. They go public and they think everything's going to be the same. And in fact, a lot changes. You have now a quarterly report card that you get. And if that's not up, you're dealing with a lot of press and you're dealing with customers who might be concerned. So the management of the company gets more complicated. And I wanted to make sure that in order to keep growing the way we were growing, innovating the way we're innovating, and managing the market, that we had the management bandwidth and we had the leadership. In that tier of leaders includes some of the people who've been CEOs of their own companies, who've done IPOs before. I mean, an incredible team. And that, in part, is what fuels our growth. Why do we do the IPO? Well, in today's world, an IPO is a branding event. That's important. It gave us the financial wherewithal to continue to grow the company. And then our customers, who now represent more than a third of the Fortune 500 and some of the largest companies in the world, they like the transparency of being able to know each quarter we're reporting how we're doing, being able to look, because they're making big bets on us. We're taking care of their population. And so they want to know that we're a financially sound company. We knew it would be tough. And it took, the better part of a year to help the market and our investors understand what we were creating.